HighLow Dressing is not a salad dressing for bipolar people. HighLow Dressing means mixing high-end designer pieces with lower budget or mass market pieces. Think of it as Marc Jacobs meets markdowns from Target. By mixing the two, you can produce stunning style results and many compliments. Now, the only question is how to get our hands on some designer pieces to make this makeover happen. This video series is called Haute Wheel, and we will explore how to pull off HighLow dressing and how to get the lowdown on low prices and get haute style for hot prices so that we can begin sprinkling in designer pieces into our wardrobe. So step right up, folks, and spin the wheel. HighLow, can you go? HighLow, can you go? So to do a more detailed example to explain exactly what HighLow dressing is, you can see this outfit here on the screen. It's gorgeous, right? So you also see that $420 price tag on that skirt. It is very gorgeous, okay? But did you know that skirt is actually paired with this $14.99 shirt from Target, okay? And so this is in essence HighLow dressing. The two bookends of the outfit are the high-end piece, that $420 skirt, and the low-end piece, that t-shirt from Target, to create, like I said, stunning style results. However, for most of us, that $420 skirt is going to be outside of our price range. We need something a lot lower to work with our budget. So this series is going to be about helping you to find those designer pieces at a discount, right? To help you out with that. So here we go. This is this episode of Haute Wheel. Where will the wheel land today? Sales alerts. This one is wonderful. This is the genius of technology. So this episode is all about sales alerts. You are going to be so excited to learn about this. Okay, so let me give you an example. I always like to show you that I'm not just teaching this stuff, I'm actually using it. So what have I found from sales alerts? This is an example I bought recently, and I love this sweater. This is the Olivia Palermo sweater, and I think I got it at Nordstrom. So it was a sales alert for this piece that was available at Nordstrom. So there's many different places that use it, and I'm going to give you the example that I use, and actually the one that I used to get this sweater that's shown here. And I'm going to give you another example of something I haven't really tried, but you know, if you have time to go out and use this resource. So how to use sales alerts. So the one I use most frequently is this. The website ShopStylecalm. So you could go there and you can search for different pieces, pulls it up from a number of different websites, so all these different stores, and it's all in one place, and I absolutely love it. So you'll search for something. So you can see here in this example of this screenshot, I just searched for pink sweater, and these are the results that showed up, shown here on the screen. And you can see it shows the different items and then their price point. When you look under that item, you can see that the one with the red box around it. You go below the price of any item and you will see that bell-shaped icon and the heart icon. So the heart icon allows you to favorite something and like keep it in your account, and you can always come back later to see it. And that bell-shaped one is actually a sales alert, and it allows you to set that. So the website will give you an alert as soon as that price is discounted. What? It's awesome. So to use this feature though, you will have to create an account on ShopStylecalm, because obviously if you're favoriting something, you need to be able to keep it in your account to visit again. And to do the sales alerts, they need your email address. They can send you that email when it goes on sale. So what exactly does that look like? You're kind of like, you may not really be getting it. So let's say that I set a sales alert for a pair of pants a while ago, okay? What will happen is I will go to my inbox. When that I will favorite that item. So you can either do the heart or you can just set specifically a sales alert. You may want to set the sales alert, but I notice I get it for the stuff I favorited too. And you'll get an email, and you'll open the email, and you can see the subject line of this email here. It says sales alert, Karen Kane. So I know it's that designer or something that I favorited or set a sales alert for that. So I open the email and it looks like this. It has the item from ShopStyle.com. It'll have the price listed there, and it usually will have it crossed out and show what the new lower price is. So you can then just click on that button to go buy that item. Now, if you play around with this website a lot, and the good thing too, they also have an app. The good and bad thing is that they have an app, so you can do this on the fly as well. If you see something go on sale right away, you can snag it, right? If you have your phone with you. But you get the sales alerts for all of these items, and you can just see when the price is discounted and then go buy it. And so you kind of have to play a little game with it where you're like, okay, is it low enough? Would I want to buy it now, or should I wait to see if it goes even lower? But what's great about it is you don't have to constantly keep an eye on something. You don't have to keep revisiting this website. It's just stuff that you said you'd be interested in, and you get an email as soon as it goes on sale. So it's really awesome and allows you to score some really amazing deals on things. Like I said, you will absolutely fall in love with it. So the other way to use sales alerts, and like I said, I have not used this one. I know people that have used it, but Pinterest also has this feature as well. So you can pin certain things, and then you will get alerts when it goes on sale. And so you can see your pin was $80 and today it was $68. So I haven't used this feature yet in Pinterest. Would be interested in it, but you can see I'm probably too busy with my other sales alerts in my ShopStyle app. And I'm not getting paid by any of these people here on this video. I'm really just giving you resources that I personally use. And so you can try this one out. Let me know if any of you have used this before and have scored amazing things using this feature on Pinterest as well. I just personally have not, but go check it out, go research it, see if you love it, especially if you are a Pinterest junkie and you're on there a lot more than other websites or other social media. That may be your place to do it. So again, let's create a high-low outfit. And remember, to create a high-low outfit, we're going to have those two bookends. So we need that high-end piece, and then we need that lower-end piece, okay? So to start off, let's say I found this really amazing MSGM blazer, okay? This is an Italian brand. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this jacket, okay? So let's say I found this jacket, and this was in one of the sites that I mentioned here. So let's say I found this jacket. Sales alert, I went and got the email, all that, and I bought the jacket. Okay, so that's one bookend of this high-low outfit. This is the high-end, the MSGM blazer. Okay, what can I pair it with? Let me go forward again. What about this? What if I paired it with this? A pair of gray trousers from Old Navy, $19. Okay, these two items seem like they wouldn't go together, but you can see they go together very well. You will look very stylish and put together. And then let's just complete the outfit there. These gray high heels and these gorgeous earrings complete the outfit. Okay, a standard high-low outfit, the two bookends, the lower end piece, the Old Navy pants, and then this MSGM blazer that you were able to get on sale using sales alerts. So if you've been following this series, you know, to get you more comfortable with these resources and to get you out in the neighborhood and exploring what resources you have around you and going online and seeing what additional resources you have for finding designer pieces, we've been doing a scavenger hunt. And so this video is the fourth one in the series where we learned how to use a sales alert. And so that's what we're going to do. So on the scavenger hunt sheet, if you have it downloaded, you are going to create an actual sales alert on ShopStyle.com, learn how to use that feature, and then write down a jacket or coat that you found and you created a sales alert for. And so let's just say I did the MSGM one that I showed earlier, okay? So wrote that down, yep, I learned how to do it. So this is just checking that all the resources that I'm giving you here on this video series, you know how to use them, you know how to find them, and you can start collecting these like treasures for your wardrobe, right? These designer pieces that you were able to score amazing deals on. And plus, trust me, if you become really good at using these resources, you will be the envy of all of your friends because they will be like, how come you're dressing better? What's happening? How did you get this piece? And then when you tell them what you paid for stuff, they're going to be done, okay? Everybody's going to be completely envious of this. So get used to it. Use this scavenger hunt in this video series to really get used to using these different resources, okay? So make sure use the link below to download the scavenger hunt. Again, go through, do the exercises on here, get comfortable with using these resources, and probably by now, if you've been going along with the video series, you probably have scored some stuff already, right? So let me know about that too. So make sure to download the Scavenger Hunt and go along with us. You can see we have one more resource that I'm going to share with you. That's going to be the final video of this series. So far, we've gone through 4 different resources and ways to find these designer pieces. So that is it for this episode of Haute Wheel. Hopefully you've all gone on to ShopStyle.com and created a sales alert just to see if you could do it. See if you like it, if this resource works for you. Okay? So see you on the next episode, and where will the wheel land next? Thank you for watching.